Welcome to the Deviants channel. In this episode of Quick and Easy, I'm going to be showing you how to place an image inside text. So let's begin. So I'm in Photoshop right now, and as you can see I've got two different layers. I've got text and image. First, what you want to do is drag your image above your text. Simply right click, click create clipping mask, and that will allow you to see the layer underneath, which is the text. And now you can just reposition the image wherever you want inside the text. As you can see, I'm moving the dog so it fits properly inside this. There we go, that should be alright. So now I just want to click save on the layer, and then I want to right click on both the layers, control click, group them. So that means if I move one of them, I'll be moving both of them, and I can just call this text. So as you can see, if I move that, it'll move both of them together and the image won't be changed. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist.